In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divert CC emails to a separate folder automatically in Outlook. If your inbox gets cluttered with messages where you're only copied in, this quick setup will keep those out of your main view so you can focus on what's truly addressed to you. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook. Click the official Outlook site to open Outlook on the web, then sign in if you aren't already. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right and select the gear icon to open Settings. A panel will slide in on the right. From there, choose Mail to open the full list of settings and then select Rules. This is where you can tell Outlook exactly what to do with certain emails as they arrive. Click the option to add a new rule. You'll be asked to name it, so give it something clear and memorable, like Move CC'd emails. Names matter when you come back later to review or adjust your rules. Next, add a condition. From the list of conditions, choose I'm on the CC line. This tells Outlook to catch messages where your address appears in the CC field rather than the To field. It won't affect emails sent directly to you, which is perfect when you want to reduce noise without missing important messages. Now add an action. Select Move To. Outlook will prompt you to pick a destination. Choose the folder where you want all CC'd messages to land. If you already have a folder set aside for these, select it. If you prefer a dedicated folder, pick one from your existing list that makes sense for your workflow. Keeping the name obvious like CC will make it easy to find later. After you've chosen the folder, confirm your choice and then save the rule. Saving turns it on immediately. From this point forward, any new message where you're on the CC line will be moved automatically to the folder you selected, keeping your primary inbox focused on emails sent directly to you. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Give your rule a clear name so it's easy to spot among other rules, and remember that rules generally run in the order they appear. If you already have several rules, be aware that earlier ones might act on messages first. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. You've set up Outlook on the web to divert CC'd emails into their own folder, helping you stay organized and in control of your inbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more focused email experience.